Question 1. The official language of which neighboring country of India is Dhivehi? A. Bhutan. B. Sri Lanka. C. Maldives. D. China. Correct answer. C. Maldives. Question 2. Laterite soil develops as a result of which of the following reasons? A. Compaction. B. Leaching. C. High temperature only. D. Sedimentation. Correct answer. B. Leaching. Question 3. Devendra Jhajria won which medal place in World Para Athletics Grand Prix? A. Bronze. B. Gold. C. Fourth. D. Silver. Correct answer. D. Silver. Question 4. Which mineral is found in high amounts in milk, seafood, nuts and whole grains that helps with bone health and our body's repair process? A. Phosphorus. B. Potassium. C. Fluoride. D. Zinc. Correct answer. A. Phosphorus. Question 5. Under which scheme of Airport Authority of India did the Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor inaugurate Umeed Marketplace at Srinagar International Airport for supporting local art and artisans of self-help groups of JK Rural Livelihood Mission? A. Aakar Scheme. B. Aakash Scheme. C. Avsar Scheme. D. Asar Scheme. Correct answer. C. Avsar Scheme. Question 6. What does the acronym ATM stand for? A. All-time money. B. Automated transaction management. C. Account tracking module. D. Automated teller machine. Correct answer. D. Automated teller machine. Question 7. In the process of cell division, the formation of phragmoplast between the two daughter nuclei occurs during A. The G0 phase. B. The S phase. C. The cytokinesis. D. The karyokinesis. Correct answer. C. The cytokinesis. Question 8. Born on Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, whose birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti, successfully led India's non-violence movement against the British. A. To October 1868. B. To October 1869. C. To October 1867. D. To October 1870. Correct answer. B. To October 1869. Question 9. Who was the Iranian ruler who attacked the city of Delhi and took away an immense amount of wealth in 1739? A. Ahmad Shah Qajar. B. Nadir Shah. C. Ahmad Shah Abdali. D. Abbas I. Correct answer. B. Nadir Shah. Question 10. Who among the following is the author of the book Unfinished, a memoir? A. Alia Bhatt. B. Priyanka Chopra. C. Deepika Padukone. D. Kareena Kapoor. Correct answer. B. Priyanka Chopra. Question 11. Which physiographic division of India from the following is formed of alluvial soil? A. The Peninsular Plateau. B. The Northern Plains. C. The Islands. D. The Himalayan Mountains. Correct answer. B. The Northern Plains. Question 12. In which state of India is shifting cultivation known as Bringa? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Manipur. C. Odisha. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer. C. Odisha. Question 13. Which state has the maximum number of jute mills as of 2022? A. Tripura. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Assam. D. West Bengal. Correct answer. D. West Bengal. Question 14. Who had founded the first women's university in India? A. William Hunter. B. Ashutosh Mukherjee. C. Dhondo Keshav Karve. D. Syed Ahmad Khan. Correct answer. C. Dhondo Keshav Karve. Question 15. As per the Census of India 2011, which state recorded a negative population growth rate? A. Sikkim. B. Kerala. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Nagaland. Correct answer. D. Nagaland. Question 16. In which type of forests are mahogany, rosewood and cinchona trees found in India? A. Tropical evergreen forests. B. Tropical deciduous forests. C. Mangrove forests. D. Montane forests. Correct answer. A. Tropical evergreen forests. Question 17. What is capital expenditure? A. amount spent on healthcare programs, B, amount spent on repaying loan, C, amount spent on subsidies for farmers, D, amount spent on infrastructure development. Correct answer, D, amount spent on infrastructure development. Question 18. In which of the following states was the third edition of Khelo India University Games held? A, Jharkhand, B, Uttar Pradesh, C, New Delhi, D, Punjab. Correct answer, B, Uttar Pradesh. Question 19. In March 2023, Rajasthan became the first state in India to provide right to for its people, A, accommodation, B, education, C, telecommunication, D, health. Correct answer, D, health. Question 20. In which state is the Sanchi Stupa situated? A, Bihar, B, Uttar Pradesh, C, Gujarat, D, Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer, D, Madhya Pradesh. Question 21. Which of the following is a white to yellowish solid with a weak aromatic odor purified by the process of sublimation? A, titanal, B, orthovanadate, C, anthracene, D, dysprosium. Correct answer, C, anthracene. Question 22. Lebang Bumani dance is the harvest dance of A, Mizoram, B, Tripura, C, Assam, D, Meghalaya. Correct answer, B, Tripura. Question 23. How many elements are listed in the modern periodic table? A, 107, B, 81, C, 91, D, 118. Correct answer, D, 118. Question 24. The Mukteshwar Dance Festival is held from 14th to 16th January at the Mukteshwar Temple in the state of A, Uttarakhand, B, Odisha, C, Madhya Pradesh, D, Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer, B, Odisha. Question 25. Mahari dance and Gotipuya dance belongs to which of the following states? A, Odisha, B, Haryana, C, Uttar Pradesh, D, Bihar. Correct answer, A, Odisha.